Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Ford Escape. First, gather your supplies: a large drain pan, new coolant, a funnel, and basic hand tools. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Locate the radiator drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position your large drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug to catch all the fluid. Slowly open the drain plug. Be prepared for the coolant to flow out quickly. It's important to let the entire system drain completely. This ensures you remove as much of the old, degraded coolant as possible, preparing for a fresh fill. After draining, close the drain plug and fill the radiator with distilled water. Run the engine with the heater on high for about 10 minutes to circulate the water, then drain it again. This flushes out any remaining old coolant or debris. Once drained, close the plug and slowly add your new specified coolant mixture. Fill it to the cold fill line on the reservoir. Finally, run the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off to bleed any air from the system. Top off the coolant as needed until the level stabilizes. Carefully inspect all connections, especially the drain plug and hose clamps, for any leaks. Keep an eye on your coolant level over the next few days. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.